Right now we are walking in the Chelsea market in New York, and this is how it looks. It's like 11 o'clock morning. It's actually before 11. Right now 15 minutes to 11, I guess. And huge mango. 假的. And this is Michelin recommended. So we just had a breakfast. Yeah, like basically hotel breakfast, and then another breakfast, and then another breakfast, and altogether 4 mugs of coffee. The weather today is basically similar to yesterday, but except that it's a little bit warmer today. The wind is not that cold. Next up, we are going to the little island,
guys who've been in the industry.
and the little island is just right there. So we are actually very close to the little island. You can basically almost see it over here. Right there, straight forward, where those little concrete kind of trees. So we will be going there, take some photos. We are at the gate, basically on the bridge to the little island, as you can see probably like here. So that's the little island where we're going. So it's just basically this kind of park that it's really popular among tourists, and I think as well as among the locals. Oh yes, today we actually kind of having like more relaxed day. It's gonna be like pretty relaxed, just walk and enjoy the weather. Enjoy this hypnosis. Just look at the middle and fall asleep. Right now, the New Jersey is right there on the other side, and my impression was that New Jersey is kind of people. It's like among the New Yorkers, they think that New Jersey is kind of a lower level place, or kind of a somehow have a reputation that people don't really like it. I don't know why. Why is that? Probably someone can tell me. But to me, when you look at that, it looks just as good as New York. Like, it doesn't look that bad. But I don't know. I haven't been there, so I don't know. Yes, tomorrow will be 20.
Finished summer.
It's almost like finished summer. I think I should like put my shorts and stuff like that on, but I'm not really familiar with the temperatures here.
Bad handshake.
And I don't have my shorts because I wasn't prepared for summer weather. We are now at the beach, but this is as much beach as you can have here. So you have sand and chairs for sandbathing or something like that. Let's go to the beach. Oh, it's so soft. The sand is so soft. Yes, I am almost feeling like I'm at the Hawaii right now. Ooh. Yeah, very nice. Now I can view Manhattan and the New Jersey and bath in sun and think that I am somewhere in tropical, but I'm actually on Manhattan Island. Wow. This is amazing experience. Oh yes, let's continue the travels. The sand is so amazing. It's really good. Yeah, it's so smooth. It's like marshmallow, like walking on marshmallow. We are going to this Highline Park, so it's basically old, some kind of train track, kind of, or it used to be kind of for transporting goods in a long time ago, and now it's just because the track is elevated, or kind of trail is elevated. and from the ground, so it's kind of also a touristy spot that people go there and enjoy the Cybertruck. Whoa, I'm so gonna put that on film. We are going to the Highline Park, so taking the stairs up to the elevated ground. Cool, this looks actually really good. Yeah, as you can see, they still have the old train tracks here. Yeah. So this place is like mainly just like the little island, just to enjoy the nature a little bit more and enjoy the flowers, taking photos, breathe some fresh air. And it's actually very nice that the city are kind of thinking more and more these kind of green spots that people could enjoy, because the Manhattan literally is pretty much like concrete complex. So you don't have much these kind of places here in Manhattan, so except Central Garden, Central Park, so that's one huge place. But now I'm just gonna walk here and take some photos. We are now almost at the end of the High Line, and so next up it is going to be some Chinese food. Let's go for it.